Hello, Joe Beermaster here. I've got a 2007 Mitsubishi Outlander, and I'm going to show you how to change the bulb of your tail light. It'll save you at least $100 because the dealer charges a minimum of $100 for service. And what you do here, I've captured this Outlander. It's out of its natural environment, and it is now in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to do the light. Joe Beermaster here. I'm going to show you how to change the tail light on this 2007 Mitsubishi Outlander, and this covers multiple years. I'm going to show you how to change the bulb when the bulb's not working properly. It'll save you a lot of money because the dealer charges at least $100 US currency greenbacks. So you open the hatch, and as you open the hatch, be very careful, and you may see these little screws in here, and you have to take these screws out. Very simple Phillips screwdriver. There's one. This whole job should take a couple minutes, maybe 2 minutes. Take out the other. Very simple. That was no problem. Sometimes they don't want to come right out. And that's out. Now we're going to wiggle it a little bit, and this one popped right out because there's these little studs in here that hold it in. And if you need to change the bulb, you just turn counterclockwise. Okay, this one is just a connection, and this one here is the turn light, and you just pop that bulb out by pulling it straight out. I'm doing this with one hand, and there's a little number on there, and you could take that bulb or call in to your local supply house that number. And the rest of this assembly is an LED assembly, so if the LED is not working, you want to check this connection. You want to check your fuses, or at worst, you're going to have to replace the entire assembly, which runs approximately maybe $100. You could find them online. And to put it all back together, you just reverse the process, and that's how easy it is to do. Now, you also have a tail light here on the tailgate. It's more decorative. I don't know if it's wired or not, but if it is, you want to open this little hatch here. And that opens up, and we can see there is a little connection here, a little bulb. So there is one bulb, and you basically twist it same way and then do the same thing. The little bulb is in here, and the rest is decorative. And that's it. You change the bulb, and you put the little door back on, and the job is complete. And that's it for the Mitsubishi Outlander tail light. We're going to let this piece rest, and we'll put it back in its natural environment tomorrow to in the United States to ride along with the rest of the herd. Joe Beermaster signing off.